In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Slack with GitHub. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video because it really helps us create more content like this. So let's get into the steps. First, you want to log into your Slack account by heading over to slack.com. Once you're in, you'll want to open your workspace. This is where all the magic happens, right? After you've done that, look over to your sidebar. You'll see a section labeled Apps. Go ahead and click on that. Now that you're in the Apps section, it's time to search for GitHub. Up at the top, there's an app search bar. Just type in GitHub, and as you start typing, you'll see options appear. Make sure to select the official GitHub app when it comes up. It's important to choose the right one to ensure you're getting the correct functionality. Once you've found the GitHub app, the next step is to install and authorize it. Look for the Install or Add to Slack button and click on that. Typically, you'll be prompted to choose the specific workspace you want to connect GitHub to. If you have multiple workspaces, pick the one that you need. Next, you'll be taken through a review of the permissions that the app is requesting. It's good practice to read through these permissions as you want to make sure you're comfortable with what the integration will have access to. If everything looks good, go ahead and accept those permissions. Now, let's verify that the installation went smoothly. After you authorize the installation, you should see GitHub listed under your Apps or Bots list inside Slack. This means it's all set up and ready for use. Additionally, you will receive a confirmation direct message from the GitHub integration itself. So keep an eye on your Slack messages for that confirmation. It's like a friendly nudge saying, "Hey, we're connected." And that's it. You've successfully integrated Slack with GitHub. This connection can really enhance your workflow, as you can now receive automated updates and notifications about your GitHub repositories straight in your Slack channels. Imagine getting notified every time there's a new pull request or issue, no more switching between apps. It's all in one place. If you find yourself collaborating with others, this integration can also streamline communication around code changes or project updates. Plus, you can set it up to notify specific channels about different activities happening on your GitHub repositories, tailoring the information to the right team members. There you have it, a simple integration that can improve your productivity and keep everyone in the loop. If you'd like more tips or have any questions about integrations like this, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe for